Okay, I'm here at Holdingford for their car show. It's a fundraiser for the scholarship. And there's supposed to be like maximum of 200 cars. Don't know how many have made it here, but it sure is packed here for people, spectators. There's a nice Camaro RS. Big old Cadillac. So the trunk opens up and the roof retracts down into the trunk, and the trunk closes. Nice. Kind of like the old, those old Galaxy retractables, 57, 8, and 9. A couple of Beetles and a Cuda, 340 Cuda.
I wouldn't want it because I'd probably kill myself. 30 grand.
Big old Dodge. Somebody shoehorned a Cummins diesel into it. 56 Dodge. There's 60 El Camino. I'm bad. 59. Old Corvette. Cutlass. Move down here a little ways. They got a raffle going on for this old tractor. Some motorcycles. Moto Guzzi. Little Kawasaki dirt bike. That looks really nice. Old Harley 41. 2005 Chopper. 47 Knucklehead. Ooh, and a trike. And a Volkswagen engine. And here is a Harley, I think it was called a Servacar, 1957. A Honda. Another Harley. Another Harley. A BMW. When I was here a few years ago, right in this open spot here, they had a big old fire truck with, I think it had the ladder. It was a ladder truck with it sticking up in the air and sticking way out with a huge American flag flying from it. And I was kind of looking forward to that for today, but it's just not here. It was an awesome sight though, that's for sure. Just beautiful. And when I was here last time, this whole area was filled in, and I ended up parking over here as I come in towards the end. Here's a Challenger. Nice. Here's a Cutlass.
Anything good at the auction? Well, it's big Oliver collector selling all this stuff. Okay. Yeah, so octaves like that are
A whiskey bottle.
it's like if you want to go fishing, for some reason, you always gotta go for it.
56 Chevy, nice one. Ooh, here's a beauty. They're all beauties. Not sure the year of this one because he doesn't have his tag in it. But 33, 4, 5, something like that. I'm guessing it's close. I'm most likely wrong. Firebird. This is a nice car. Pontiac. Oldsmobile, I'm sorry. Starfire. No, he don't. He don't. He's making mistakes left and right. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, friends. Yes, they're our friends. I have to pay them. They're always asking for a raise. Oh, there's that green, lime green Dodge Dart Swinger. Chrysler Windsor. 47. Beautiful car. Is this the car I'm thinking of? It is. This old guy had this car for years, and he had, since it has a trailer hitch right there, he had an attachment that he'd slip in there and a great big umbrella, and he'd sit back there in the shade. And he had a huge, beautiful story about this car that I sat down one day and talked with him, and the darn video got corrupted, and I lost it. And that just disappointed me because that was just such interesting information about that car. Rocket 455. Oh, there's a little Red Express.
Down here where that nice tan car, and they said this is a really nice car.
And the
Right there.
Big Boat Fury of 71. Ah, good guess. '57 Chevy pickup, and I like the step sides back then. They were the best, the step side. This big old International. This must be early 50s, I'm guessing. What does it say? 54. Now here. 24 Studebaker touring car. Of course, didn't come with that or those, but I bet you it goes and it sounds real nice. The car itself is pretty much a survivor, but just a new drivetrain. Here's a big old Caprice. I had one like that. I think it was a 78. .305. Run forever. Chevelle with a big block. Another International pickup.
Now they resurrected this truck. It used to sit, if you're familiar with going to Uppsala.
Not really, but
Okay, but anyways, as you go into Uppsala on 21 or whatever, from Bolus Road or whatever, to get to Uppsala, they had this sitting on a little hill because it didn't run. So then they had it sitting there, and then they had Santa Claus sitting in the
Oh,
cab
so
all
cool.
winter long, and had lights around it and stuff. But they said that it didn't run. Didn't run at all. So one guy came over there, a buddy of his, he said, let's go tinker with this damn thing, see if we can get it to run. He got it to run, now he drives it all over.
oh, cool,
Yeah.
cool.
He's got 3 milk cans back there. I was going to ask him if he's got, see,
Oh yeah.
he's got a collection of, see, this one has Uppsala Creamery on it.
Oh sure.
So is the other one. I think all three of them. He has a collection of wrenches. If he has one, he has, I bet you, 4,000 or 5,000 different wrenches. Most of them John Deere.
Uh-huh. Wow.
They just, So I see him once in a while. I'll talk to him. I'm going to ask him if he has wrenches in there or money.
Oh yeah. Pretty cool looking old truck.
Yeah.
And you certainly wouldn't want to restore it.
No.
I mean, this is drive it as it is.
Yep.
And if you have to, if the motor goes to crap or something,
Yeah, right.
just
Yeah.
have to upgrade something.
Yeah.
But not an LS.
No.
Nah. Have a good day. Couple of Corvettes. Back into the crowd. Need a step ladder to get in.
Even the boots. There's 5.
There's a Nova. Beautiful 55 Buick. Buick Special. Here's a Lafayette. Nash Lafayette. 1937.
I like that too.
Got about room for 2 adults in there, maybe 1 munchkin. There's another Buick Special. Big old things on that bumper. 56 Special. Here's a Dodge Coronet 440 66 with a 383. Now this here, 57 Dodge, swept side pickup. They did not make very many of these at all. And it's almost like they took the back end off of a car and got fins. Nice. Here's your 63 Plymouth Fury. That's 225 Chrysler Slant 6 engine, also known as the Leaning Tower of Power. '64, not '63. Here's a nice one of the Tri-5 Chevys and a 340 Duster. Now this is a nice Fury. And that I think that's a 413. Not positive. It's not a Hemi, but it's a 57 Plymouth Fury though. Here's a old Belvedere with the I'm not sure if that's a 383 or if that's a 413.
You guys had enough to 4 cabs on Sunday.
This is a
I know you said
65 Belvedere. Oops, my finger in there again. Nice 65 Chevelle with a 327. Here's 48 Plymouth convertible. What a beauty. There's so many beautiful cars here today. Then you go to a car show, you're going to find so many beautiful cars, period.
How you doing, Lance?
Traffic jam. Might need a cop with a stop sign. 7. Ooh, a Fuelie. Injection 57.
No.
In 57, if it got the fuel injection, it was a 283. This nice 40 Ford Coupe. Oh. 40 Oldsmobile convertible. This is beautiful. Most definitely. Oh, it's here for sale. Have to have the Brinks truck come. Help you pay for it. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
What are you doing?
I've seen more people here today than I know
Yeah.
in quite a while.
What are you doing over there? Taking pictures or videos?
Video.
Oh.
It'll be on YouTube soon.
Oh man.
And you're on it too. Smile and say hi.
She's like,
Yeah, like,
absolutely not.
be lucky if I didn't get this. And a Buick Wildcat, another nice, beautiful white car. 69 means it's probably got a 430 engine in it. A Corvette, who knows what's in 78. Here's this 66 Belvedere with a 440. But I think it came with, he said it came with a 383. But, ooh.
He's not looking at it. I'm not gonna do it.
Another traffic jam. '68 SS. A Mustang. 2 Mustangs. '57 hardtop, Bel Air hardtop.
They're still picking up.
30 Ford pickup. It's sunning out. I don't know if you can see it, but there's, can't really see it, but there's flames. Just, you can barely see them in there. I bet you if the sun's shining, you'd really see them.
You're not getting it.
He has bullet through.
Bird food.
Yeah.
Monte Carlo. Firebird. Formula. Another Challenger.
Cut the body off, put new metal on it.
57 Chevy. Pretty car. 47 Coupe. Chevy. Monte Carlo. '40 Chevy 4-door sedan with the suicide doors, or what's referred to as suicide doors. And here's the GM truck that I see all over. There's an old International. A Corvette. There's another Corvette. Satellite Sebring. It looks pretty nice. 74. I was going to guess 72, but I would have been off. As usual, Cowell Induction SS396 Chevrolet. Some old Chevrolet. Survivor. Lots of patina on that car. Another Monty.
My daughter drove the Lincoln. Chevelle drove the Lincoln.
El Camino. Oh, Thunderbird.
Probably will now. Well, I mean, if they didn't get
And these nice Thunderbirds. 1960. Newer 79 pickup. 69 Chevelle. I had two of those back in the day. Another jacked up truck. '53 Willys. Newer steering column and shifter.
That's it.
That's nice. Caprice Classic. Chevy pickup. Ford pickup. Here's a beauty, 1930. Ford Model A. It's just like their same year's build.
I like the front.
194 cubic inch, 120 horsepower, 6-cylinder. And this Chevy 2 wagon, which it in itself you don't see. Torino at a 351. Dodge Ram pickup. IROC 66 Impala. Sorry, 65. Like I said, I'm doing all kinds of mistakes today. Cuda. Newer Camaro. Old SS 454. Car did not come with that engine. Lincoln Continental, 1963. Huh. Granada, Fairmont. Here's the Chevelle. Again. 68. Thanks, all shifter.
He wanted to drive in here, and then I said we were going to Justin, so let me put it there.
Who's that? Olds Tornado. 67 Olds Tornado. Front wheel drive. .428 cubic inch, I believe it was. .425. No, more like 425, I think it was. 68 Charger with a sort of pink. Chevy pickup. Oh, Bonneville convertible 455. And a Buick. A Holiday. Ooh, skirts, fender skirts. 55. It's not a Buick, it's a goddamn Oldsmobile. See? Must have bumped my head. Getting all kinds of things wrong today. Then we get, oh, must be Tom's car. 94 Pontiac Firebird. Ooh, 390 Fairlane convertible.
We got pork and they're all like, hey, asking a million questions. I'm like,
Do you see this?
67.
it's like, you see, I didn't see it.
There's a little
You
Biscayne.
let me pass. But now I just do 55
6-cylinder.
because I'm like, nope. I better go find the kids. So.
That was a heartbreaker for you and him.
50 Chevy Deluxe.
That's our moving in.
So the 442.
Chevelle. Mustang. Flathead V8 in that. 34 Ford. There's a beauty truck too with a nice paint job. 54 Ford.
Step on the corner.
Parisienne Pontiac station wagon. Land Rover. With a fording kit. Drive through all kinds of water with that. Oh, Chrysler. Z28.
My Zachary was walking up.
Now we're back to Bill's car. And some dork's convertible. Anyway, I guess that takes care of this show. I'll hopefully be able to find out the number of entrants that made it here today, so I can add that in. Because I know they said no more than 200. Say hi to my finger. Haha. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.